Hello and welcome to Auto Traction Channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the true giants of the construction world, the 2025 Caterpillar CAT D10T2 monster bulldozer. Caterpillar is a name that's been trusted for decades when it comes to heavy equipment, but the D10T2 takes things even further, delivering unmatched power, durability, and smart technology designed for the toughest jobs on the planet. The first impression this machine gives is pure dominance. It stands tall and wide, with a blade that's built to move mountains of earth, rock, or debris without breaking a sweat. The body is reinforced with the latest high-strength steel alloys, giving it insane durability while maintaining some surprisingly agile movement for a machine this size. Every part of the design, from the robust tracks to the elevated drive system, is made for high performance and brutal environments. Under the massive hood lies the heart of the monster, a Caterpillar C27 ACERT engine. In 2025, this engine has been fine-tuned to push out over 700 horsepower with even greater efficiency than previous models. The torque this machine generates is enough to push heavy loads across the roughest terrain with no hesitation. And thanks to the smart load-sensing hydraulic systems, the D10T2 adjusts power output automatically based on the demands of the work, meaning better fuel efficiency without sacrificing strength. The high drive system is a standout feature. By raising the drive sprockets off the ground, Caterpillar improves the balance, stability, and life of the undercarriage. This not only increases traction and handling on difficult terrain, but also protects critical components from damage, extending the machine's operational lifespan even under extreme conditions. Step inside the cab, and you'll find that operating this beast is a surprisingly smooth experience. The operator environment has been designed for maximum comfort and productivity. With an air suspension seat, customizable joystick controls, and a full climate control system, long shifts feel a lot less punishing. A large, intuitive touchscreen provides access to performance data, machine health diagnostics, and GPS-based grade control systems, all in real time. One of the biggest upgrades for the 2025 D10T2 is the fully integrated CAT Grade Control 3D system. This tech allows operators to follow precise grading plans without the need for traditional stakes or manual grade checking. It means faster work, less rework, and huge boosts in overall job site efficiency. Plus, remote monitoring via CAT Product Link gives fleet managers the tools to monitor machine performance and schedule maintenance, avoiding downtime and costly repairs. Every detail of the Caterpillar CAT D10T2 monster bulldozer speaks to strength, intelligence, and efficiency. Whether it's tearing through a mining operation, building a massive construction project, or handling tough land development jobs, this machine delivers legendary performance day after day. It's a perfect example of how Caterpillar continues to lead the way in heavy machinery innovation. Thanks for watching today's deep dive on auto traction. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews of the world's toughest and most impressive machines.